Hey guys, Ru here with another video for Blender, and this I'm gonna show you how to create some really clean cuts with brushes in Blender in sculpt mode. So let's grab a cube and let's scale it a little bit. Okay, and let's just grab a bevel. All right, and we don't need sharpens. And Control 4 and Control A and Visual to Mesh, so it's a really dense mesh. Okay, now we're gonna go to sculpt mode and grab a scrape brush. Now scrape brush, how it works, it simply scrapes the geo, right? The only problem is that you can see that when it samples geometry, sample is from within the brush area, and depending on which direction the normals are pointing, right, you'll have the brush sort of changing directions like here, right? Which is why this chamfer is so wavy. It just looks like garbage. So we're gonna fix this, right? We're gonna go here to these settings and click on this icon, and we're going to add another brush, so scrape 2. So if I click this one, I can see that it's the default brush, and that's my custom brush, right? I'm gonna scroll down here to advanced, and I'm gonna enable normals and plane. Now what these settings going to do, first of all, normals, they will limit the amount of normals that brush is going to be sampling from, so it's going to be much more precise. And 2, plane will actually limit the depth of it. So now if I'm going to hover over this edge and kind of find this 45 degrees angle and start scraping, you see what's happening. I'm getting this really perfect, nearly perfect chamfer, which is great. So I'm gonna make this brush a bit larger, and there you go, as your chamfer, and you can do it on each edge. Now depending on how the brush is angled, you're gonna get different different angles of chamfer, but basically you can chamfer really tight chamfers with the brush in sculpt mode. Now, if you wanted to increase the resolution of this, you simply need to remesh it. So go to remeasure and 0.005, and then smooth normals, and then remesh it. And once it's gonna finish, we're gonna have a bit more geo to work with. So there you go. See, now you can create really precise cuts. So this brush is insane. It's literally like slicing with booleans. Okay, it's pretty incredible, to be honest. So it's fantastic for creating some crazy shape, and works exactly like one of those brushes, in ZBrush. Okay, so there you go. That's pretty cool. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and sub if you did, and I'll catch you in the next one.